Battery replacement.
18 Mazda CX-5.
Alright guys, so you pop your hood, you come over here. It's a pretty simple battery to do. Basically, we're going to take this battery hold down off. This is what holds your battery tight. It's these 10mm nuts. I used a deep 10mm socket. You don't have to take these nuts all the way off. Just get them loose enough. And then once these are loose, or you got them all the way off, you can just take this whole thing out. You kind of shake it and then it'll come out of the hole. And I put this right here. Alright, so you're going to want to disconnect your battery clamp. Let's go ahead and do the negative first. The negative goes first because it's the least likely to spark when you're messing with it. It might spark still, but it's not as going to be as sparky as the positive, and it's just good for the computer. Alright, so we'll take that off. It's a 10mm. You just loosen it and then you can wiggle it off. Same thing right here. And you don't need to take the nut all the way off. Just get it close and then you should be able to wiggle this loose. It might be stubborn, you know, just get two hands on it, wiggle it. Alright, there we go, we got it off. And I put a rag or like a towel right here to cover the clamp so it doesn't hit the battery post. So once that's out, I'm going to go ahead and get this battery sleeve, this little cover out. This is used for like to protect the battery from like heat and stuff. Alright, so once you got that out, I'm going to take it out now. I'm going to do it off camera because I need both my hands. You just pick it up and put it on the ground, you know, like that. And I got my new one. Make sure your new one, the terminals are the same. I got mine from a dealer, and as you can see it, I just match it up, make sure it's the right size, make sure the negative's on the negative side and the positive's on the positive side. You'd be surprised, sometimes you get a battery and the posts are backwards, like someone just grabbed the wrong one on the shelf, or the posts are on the wrong side of the battery. So just make sure everything's identical as far as like that. I put it in, and I had to get a little hook to hold the positive cable to the side because it was getting in my way. But once you get it in, we're going to take these little caps off here. Yours may or may not have these. Just get them off. You want the clamp to be able to go on the terminal fine. Go ahead and get this on. Once you push it down on the clamp, make sure you push it down a lot. Go ahead and tighten this nut down. Alright, once that is tight, you can just move on to the next one. Take this off as well. They just put those on there for shipping and stuff. Alright, so we'll get this clamp on now, and then we'll tighten it down. Alright, oh, and don't forget the sleeve. I forgot to put the sleeve on when I was filming, so you could put the sleeve on before you do the clamps. I just use a little bit of this Seal Glide, put a little bit on the terminal to protect it. You don't have to, you know, I just do it to protect it if you don't have like some actual battery protecting around. But alright guys, so let's get the hold down back on. Get these hooks in the holes. I'll show you what I mean. Actually, this one doesn't really have holes, it just has little plastic anchor spots where you hook it on. That's pretty much on the bottom of that plastic anchor thing. You might have to like tighten or loosen the hold down bolts to get it to go down there and get it, you know, right. Should look like that. But alright guys, after you get this down, tighten this. Not make it tight, you don't want to bend the battery. I'll have to reset that. Alright. Alright, thanks for watching. Please put any more additional information in the comments. Have a good day.